In the next problem, in question 5, it says a particle is moving on the x-axis or v-axis is a function of a time. So the graph is given right here, and they're asking us the displacement in meters after 2 seconds is what? So they're giving us the time, giving us a 0.4 representing 4 seconds, and the velocity 8 meters per second. So if we would like to find the displacements in meters after 4 seconds, we have to use the area in this triangle. But in this case, we're going to use the little triangle. So half of 4 is 2, and half of 8 is going to be 4. So if we find the area, we're going to find the displacement. So going to be the base times the height divided by 2. That should give us 4.